Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to Twixtor dozens of clips? It can be a time-consuming process. You need to mark every single unique frame using time remapping, regroup them to remove unnecessary frames, apply the Twixtor effect, set its complex parameters, and create tricky masks to avoid warping, and all of this for every single clip. Well, you may have found a solution for the last point. You are using Flowframes to automate the flow detection and improve the Twixtor effect. But this means you've traded 3 hours of intensive masking for 3 hours of boring clip rendering, Flowframes interpolation, and After Effects importing. But don't worry, I have a solution that will prevent you from ever facing this problem again. Let me introduce you the Twixtor RIFE script, a script that automates all the tedious and time-consuming aspects of the Twixtorization process. Let me show you how it works. First, mark every single unique frame using time remapping. Then, use the regroup button to regroup all the selected keyframes. After completing these steps, you have two choices. You can use the Twixtor method by setting a slow motion value and clicking the Twixtor button, which works well for clips without complex or fast movements. Or you can use the RIFE method by clicking the corresponding button. This option will render all your selected clips, then interpolate them using RIFE, an AI model that detects clips flows and applies interpolation algorithm. This script uses the Python implementation of RIFE 3.0, which is the same model used by Flowframes. If for some reason RIFE doesn't work, the clips will just be rendered in the render folder. And that's it. The Twixtor RIFE script makes the process of Twixtoring much easier and faster. However, keep in mind that this script is a little bit more complex than my previous ones, so I will explain how to install it. First, download the script. The link is in the description and it's free. You'll receive a .zip file which you should extract to the script UI panels folder in After Effects. There are 2 files and 1 folder, the script, the instructions, and the RIFE model. To make RIFE work, you'll need to install Python. The link is in the description. During the installation, make sure to add pipe to path. Then, go into the RIFE folder, open the CMD using File Explorer, and execute the following command. This command will install all the required packages, but if some are already installed, uninstall them to avoid version issues. Finally, install FFmpeg and add it to path. I'll include more detailed instructions in the description. Now, open After Effects, go to Windows, then Twixtor RIFE script.jsx, and anchor the script to the interface with a drag and drop click. Click the Settings button and add the required folders and files using the Browse buttons. The Render folder is where your rendered and interpolated clips will be saved, and the RIFE folder is the folder for the RIFE model. Since I put it in the Script UI Panels folder, the path is the following one. The python.exe file is the file of your Python interpreter. In my case, it is the following path. After completing these steps, you can fully enjoy the script.